do some more questions on trigonometric identities. Sin A plus cosec A whole square plus sec A plus cos A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Now I take the left hand side. Now sin A plus cosec A whole square plus sec A plus cos A whole square. In this I will apply the identity A plus B whole square. So sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 of sin A cosec A. Similarly, in the second part also I will apply the identity sec square A plus cos square A plus 2 of sec A plus cos sec A into cos. Now as we know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 plus 2 into sin A into 1 upon sin A. Cosec square A is 1 plus cot square A plus sec square is 1 plus tan square A plus 2 of cos A into 1 upon cos A. This cancel. This is also cancelled. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus tan square A plus cot square A, which is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A is equal to RHS. Now I will do another question. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus tan A. Cosec A plus cot A. So in this we will apply the identity. We will see the right hand side. This is equal to cosec A plus cot A. So how to find the cosec A? We will dividing numerator and denominator by sin A. So cos A upon sin A minus sin A upon sin A plus 1 upon sin A upon cos A upon sin A plus sin A upon sin A minus 1 upon sin A. Now as we know, cosec upon sin A is cot A minus 1 plus cosec A upon cot A plus 1 minus of cosec. This I can write down like this also. Cot A plus cosec A minus 1 upon denominator I will write down as it is only. No change in the denominator. As we know that 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. So in place of 1 I can write down cosec square A minus of cot square A. So cot A plus cosec A minus of cosec A square A minus of cot square A upon denominator will be the same only. Cot A plus 1 minus of cos A. Now we will apply the identity A square minus B square. A square minus B square. So cot A plus cosec A minus A square minus B square, cosec A minus of cot A, cosec A plus cot A upon cot A plus 1 minus of cosec. Now in the numerator I can take cot A plus cosec A common. So what I get? 1 minus of cosec A minus of cot A upon cot A plus 1 minus of cosec A. So what I get? Cot A plus cosec A 1 minus of cosec A plus cot A. Denominator also cot A plus 1 minus of cosec A. Cancel, which is equal to cot A plus cosec A, which is equal to RHS.